Hello everyone, my full name is Hoàng Thị Bích Huệ. I'm 15 years old. I'm in class 9 in Singlong Semi Boarding Primary Secondary School for Ethnic Minority. Firstly, I would like to introduce my family. My family has 4 people. My father is 40 years old, he is a farmer. My mom is 38 years old, she is a farmer too. My elder brother is 20 years old, he is a worker, and me. My family is very happy. Secondly, I would like to introduce our school. It is to the north of Nang District, is about 65 km far from Nang Town. Our school is in the high mountainous area. Secondary school has 8 classrooms. Behind our school, there are mountains and jungle. In front of school, there is a large football ground. There are 8 classes with 281 students and 18 teachers in our school. I love my school very much. The subject I like best is English. I often speak English with my friend and my English teacher. In my free time, I usually play volleyball and reading books. I would like to invite all of you to visit our school, where the natural landscape is very beautiful, with Singlong waterfall, blue and romantic water. There is famous especially on Santetti. There is Zhao village and Hamong village lying halfway up the mountain. There is jungle in colorful ethnic costume. My aim to this contest is to network learn and an opportunity for me speaking English, and the goal is to win. Thanks for listening. Goodbye. See you later.